In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-line graph in Google Sheets. To get started, open your spreadsheet and organize your data clearly before creating the chart. In the first column, enter your x-axis categories. These are the labels that will appear along the bottom of the graph, such as dates, months, or years. Then, in the next columns to the right, enter the numerical values for each separate line you want to display. Each column should represent a different data series, and it's important to include headers in the first row so Google Sheets can label everything correctly in the chart. Once your data is set up, highlight all of the cells you want to include, making sure to select both the headers and the values underneath them. This step matters because the chart will use that selected range to determine the labels, categories, and the individual lines. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Insert from the drop-down menu. Choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately generate a chart based on your selected data, and you'll also see the Chart Editor panel appear on the right side of the screen. Don't worry if the chart doesn't look correct at first. That's normal because you can easily change the chart style in the editor. In the Chart Editor, look at the Setup tab. Find the Chart Type drop-down menu and click on it. Scroll down until you reach the Line section. From there, select either the Standard Line Chart or the Smooth Line Chart. The standard version gives you straight connecting lines, while the smooth option creates softer curves between data points. Choose the one that best matches the style you want for your presentation. After that, move into the customization options to improve the appearance of your graph. In the Chart and Axis Titles section, you can change the main chart title and update the axis labels so the graph is easier to understand at a glance. This is especially useful if you are sharing the chart with others or using it in a report. In the Series section, you can select a specific line and adjust its color, thickness, or line style. You can also add data point markers if you want each value to stand out more clearly. Then check the Legend section, where you can change the position of the labels to the top, bottom, left, or right. This helps viewers quickly identify what each colored line represents without confusion. Once everything looks the way you want, your multi-line graph is ready to use. Thanks for watching.